Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM SCAR H, and this one has got a level 5 internal build. It's got the Action Army 35k motor, it's got Prometheus 20:1 gears, it's got the Prometheus bearings, Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Psionic R hop, FPS Spring guide, FPS Piston Head. It's got the Gate Titan Basic, a Prometheus silver trigger which we've installed, and it's got the Eagle 6 upgrade spring. It's actually chronoing incredibly strong, this was. So we went down to an M120, or started off at M120, way too strong. We dropped down to a 110, still too strong. 105, still too strong. And we were getting really tiny, decreases. And then obviously we went to a 90 plus. And then we're still chronoing over 300 on 3.2s. I don't think this would ever be UK limits unless we put like a biro pen spring in there. So I don't know what's going on with this one, but it's getting incredibly good air seals. That's how the cookie crumbles sometimes with gun teching. So they've all got their own personality. But yeah, this one's just got very high FPS. So we got there in the end, and I'm just going to test it now and just demonstrate it working. There you go. So we'll test it working. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know, but hopefully you have a great time. Thank you.